This is the Phalanx Close-In Weapon System, the last line of defense standing between a warship and total destruction. When enemy missiles tear across the ocean at near supersonic speed, when there are only seconds left before impact, this machine wakes up. Its radar locks on automatically, the cannon begins to spin, and within moments the sky erupts into a storm of fire. Designed to protect naval vessels from anti-ship missiles, aircraft, drones, and fast attack threats, the Phalanx CIWS became one of the most feared defensive weapons ever, mounted on a warship. Sailors call it the ship's bodyguard, because when every other layer of defense fails, the Phalanx fights to the very end. Developed by Raytheon in the United States during the Cold War, the Phalanx was created to solve a terrifying problem. Modern anti-ship missiles were becoming faster, smarter, and deadlier every year. Traditional naval guns could not react quickly enough against missiles flying only meters above the sea. A single hit could cripple or sink a billion-dollar warship in seconds. The answer was a fully automated weapon system capable of detecting, tracking, and destroying incoming threats faster than any human crew could react. The result was the Phalanx CIWS, a compact but devastating defensive platform that would become legendary across the world's navies. At the center of the Phalanx is the M61 Vulcan, a 20mm six-barrel Gatling cannon originally designed for fighter jets. But on the Phalanx, this weapon powered by an electric motor. The cannon springs at unbelievable speed, firing thousands of armored personnel. When fully activated, it creates what sounds like metal incoming. Missiles are shredded by sheer the ship. The sound alone is unforgettable. A roar mixed with explosive thunder, like a giant chainsaw made for war.